The law of thermodynamics. The law of thermodynamics is also known as the conservation of energy. It's a fundamental principle of physics that states energy can be created or destroyed. However, energy can also transfer between objects or be converted from one form to another. In simple terms, the total energy in closed system remains constant. For example, imagine a gas inside a sealed container. If you heat the gas, you're adding energy to it. Because this energy can be increased the gas internal energy by raising its temperature, or it can do work by pushing against the whole container. So the first law is often written as dU equals Q minus W, where dU is the change in the system internal energy and Q is the heat added to the system, and W is work by the system. So if the energy comes into the system as heat, it's either increase the internal energy or those work, but the total energy stays the same. So there are four main laws in thermodynamics. Number 1, the zeroth law. If two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a third system, they are in thermal equilibrium with each other. This helps us understand temperature and how it is measured. Number 2, the first law. This is also known as the law of energy conservation. It says that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. For example, when you heat a pot of water, the heat energy is transferred to the water, making it hot. Number 3, the second law. This law states that energy tends to disperse and spread out over time. It introduces the concept of entropy, which measures the disorder or randomness in a system. For example, if you mix a hot and cold water, they will eventually reach an even temperature. This is because energy is spread out to make the system more balanced. Number 4, the third law. This law says that as the temperature of a system approaches absolute zero, the entropy of a system approaches a minimum value. So absolute zero is the point where a system has the lowest possible energy. So the thermodynamics is used in many areas. In engineering, it helps design engines and refrigerators. While in chemistry, it explains how reaction occurs. So even in biology, it helps us understand how our bodies use energy. So in summary, thermodynamics is the science of energy and heat. It has a set of rules that explain how energy moves and changes. So by understanding these rules, help us improve technology and understand natural processes. Thank you.
Calorimetry, the branch of science that measures the heat transfer during physical or chemical processes. It helps us determine how much heat is absorbed or released when a substance changes temperature, changes state, or reacts chemically. Calorimetry is a calorimeter measures heat transfer based on the idea that heat lost by the hotter object equals the heat gained by the colder object in an insulated system. Main formula: Q mc/At. Q, heat gain or loss. M, mass of substance. C, specific heat capacity. At, temperature change. Device used to measure heat transfer. Types: simple calorimeter, coffee cup. Bomb calorimeter, Combustion reaction. Application: measuring food calories, determining specific heat of materials, analyzing chemical reaction energy, engineering and thermal system design. Summary: calorimetry is the study of how heat is transferred during physical or chemical processes. It measures how much heat is absorbed or released when a substance changes temperature, changes state, or reacts.
Enthalpy is a measure of the total heat content of system defined as its internal energy plus the product of its pressure and volume. It's a thermodynamic property used to quantitate the heat absorbed or released during a process, particularly at constant pressure. The change in enthalpy equal the heat transfer under constant pressure condition where a negative delta H indicates exothermic reaction heat is released and positive delta indicates an endothermic reaction heat is absorbed. Enthalpy is the sum of the system internal energy and the energy required to make space for it by established in pressure and volume. Formula: the relationship is expressed as where enthalpy is the internal energy is pressure and volume. Change in enthalpy delta. For a process is constant pressure, the change in enthalpy is equal to heat transferred to or from system delta H equal Q E. Thermic reaction, the releasing heat has negative enthalpy change. Example: burning wood process composition. Negative. Expansion: burning wood release a lot of heat. Endothermic reaction: the absorbed heat has positive enthalpy change delta. Example: dissolving ammonium nitrate in water. Process: NHNO dissolve in positive. Explanation: the solution become cold because the salt absorb heat. Function meaning is value depends only on the current state of system, temperature, pressure, and composition, and not on how it got there. Summary: it is a crucial concept in chemistry in studying for calculating the energy change in reactions, such as combustion, or in engineering for designing systems like engines in power plants. For instance, the heat from burning gasoline is highly exothermic reaction that can be quantified using enthalpy changes.
Entropy shows how spread out energy in a system and how disordered it has become. It also indicates the energy in a system that cannot be used to do useful work. Entropy measures the randomness in a system. The more disordered the particles are, the higher the entropy. For example, a messy room has a higher entropy than a tidy one. In thermodynamics, some energy becomes unusable as entropy increases. This is why not all energy in a system can do work. Energy naturally spreads out. Heat flows from hot objects to cold ones, increasing the overall entropy of the surroundings. Natural processes tend to increase entropy. For example, ice melts or water evaporates without external helps because the system moves toward greater disorder. Entropy is a state function, meaning it depends only on the system's current condition, not the path it took to reach it. Information theory. Entropy measures how uncertain or unpredictable data is. High entropy means more randomness and less predictability. Example of increasing entropy: ice melting into water, punctured tire releasing air, hot object cooling down, broken glass which has more possible arrangements than a whole glass.